guys, what's up and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be making one of my favorite steaks because currently we just hit 100 subscribers, but we can unfortunately still not go live. So please give us 1,000 subscribers so we can go live for you guys. Okay, so today I'm going to be making a barbecue beef steak, and these are so juicy and awesome. You guys should really try this recipe. For this recipe, we're going to be needing 4 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce, 2 tablespoons of barbecue sauce, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1 teaspoon of garlic, half teaspoon of onion powder, 1 tablespoon of mustard, 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise, and 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. But you will also be needing a degi mirch. Okay, so this is like this, if you didn't know. It's basically a type of chili. And over here I have half kg of beef that I'm using half kg of the special beef part that is, and so basically the lines that it has in this, it gives a special softness. So whenever you go to buy it, make sure to buy beef steak beef. Okay, so let's get started. This meat hammer to pound on our beef, and this is really good because it just flattens our steak. Okay, so there's this flat side and this spiky side, and this is what we're using and this will make sure that it's cooked properly as well. So, do the hammer here, 2, 3, and then set it aside. Move on to the next one. 1, 2, 3, then other side. And now I'm just going to do this with the rest. Now that all the beef is pounded over here, we're going to be making the marination. So I got the Worcestershire sauce over here. 4 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce. 2 tablespoons of the barbecue sauce. Just going to take it out. 1 tablespoon of olive oil. So I'm just going to measure that out. 1 tablespoon. 1 teaspoon of the garlic paste. 1/2 teaspoon of the onion powder. 1 tablespoon of mustard. 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise. To take everything out. 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Okay. Just going to wipe the spoon. Got my whisk. I'm gonna add my baby merch in as well. Oops. This is well mixed. We're going to be marinating our beef. I'm going to set that aside and take 1 piece of the beef out. Bring it over here. Brush this on. Flip it. Push this side. I'm going to do the same with the other pieces. And then I'm going to refrigerate this for 15 minutes. Taking the beef out of the refrigerator, and we're going to be cooking them now. I'm cooking these in a grill so that they get that nice design that we want. But if you do not have it, you can cook it in a double-sided pan or any pan that is available to you, and put the design using a rod. So that's another option you can do. I have potatoes here which have been put in boiling water for 5 minutes so that the starch comes out. So I'm just going to push this way. There. And this is already preheated. And I'm going to put the rest in now, 2 at a time. Okay, and the rest of the spice that is left, I am putting it into my potatoes. I'm going to put the spice back. Okay. And we're going to put this in the pan later on. So while our beef is cooking, we are going to be making the sauce. I've already told you this recipe when I was making my beef shin steak, but I'm going to repeat it again. So I'm making the bechamel sauce, and for that I'm going to be needing 1 cup of milk, 1 cube of chicken, 4 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, 4 tablespoons of butter, and a 1/4 cup of water to dilute the chicken stock cube in. So I'm going to grab my whisk and put the chicken cube in the water first. Just going to slip. And I'm going to put the butter in the pan right now so it melts. And I'm going to add in the flour into this. Oops. So I'm just going to let this water melt. And I'm going to grab my whisk. And whisk this. Okay. So I'm going to add in the chicken cube. And this will help dilute the corn flour, the flour that we just added. Okay. Just going to add in the milk into it. And by time this will start to get thick. And 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper. Stage when it's getting harder to whisk the sauce and it's getting a little thick, it is ready. I'm just going to pour it into my bowl over here. And there you have it. Your bechamel sauce is ready. So let's have a look at the steaks now. See if the beef steaks are ready right now. Oh, those look great. One stuck to the top. Okay, because our pan is still hot right now, I'm going to be converting the steaks from the grill to the pan. The pan using this tissue right here just to get rid of these. And I'm going to put in the potatoes into this pan. So I'm just going to put all of them in here. These are very slippery. So I'm just going to close this and let these grow. I'm just going to take out the rest of my potatoes, and they look amazing. Just gonna rest this back. Some left. I have my steak placed over here. Disclaimer, please do not do this on your own. This is very dangerous. Use adult help like I am. I have my steak plate, the potatoes, the bechamel sauce, as well as some juices, which I've told you the recipe of, and the sauce. Okay, so I'm just going to pick up one of these. In the middle. There. Some potatoes. And the sauce. lemon over here, which I'm just going to sprinkle on. You may be wondering why I'm adding lemon juice, but this is the thing that gives it the real smoke that we want. Okay, so all the lemon juice out. And there you have it. Your steak is ready. And this looks awesome, guys. Look at that. You guys should really try this beef barbecue steak recipe. And if you do, tell me in the comments down below. And go check me out on Facebook, WhatsApp, Facebook, Twitter, Facebook, TikTok, and Instagram. And I'll see you there. Please like, subscribe, and share my videos. Bye!